Hi, I'm Allison Pryor and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner step by step in real time so you can follow along with me. And today I have something that I found that is going to help you. Something you're not going to even, I don't think that you would have thought of this, or you would have even thought that it could work this way. But here's what I found. This. Now, you're not going to believe what that is. That is what you put under your chairs to keep them from scraping the floor. It's wonderful. And I tried a little painting to try it out, and the beauty of it is that this sticky part here is not hard to get off. It's very easy to get off. See, look. And then what happens is that comes off really easy, and then you stick it to your canvas or to your paper, and then you work around it, and because it's thick you can pull it off easily. We're going to do a little sample now in a few minutes, but you know, you can have a big moon and different sizes. Look, right? Isn't that fantastic? And look, how cute is that? And a little teeny weeny one. You can even use them for centers of flowers and things, you know. You're going to get a perfect round circle. Perfect. Just let's try it.
Here it is.
Look,
here. This is what you use. Perfectly round. This is what you use for your chairs so they won't scrape the floor. And I'm so excited about this because when I seen it, when actually my hubby went to the dollar store and he picked these up, and when he came home and I seen them on the table, I was like, oh my God, I think I have an idea for those in my paintings. So anyway, you can take off the sticky part. See? And you keep that because you can put it back on again when you're finished, right? So we're going to pretend we want a big moon. Just say we want a big moon. Look, and it sticks perfect. It's not coming off. It's not going anywhere. And it removes easily. Look, didn't hurt the paper. It's amazing. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. The things that you think about when when you're painting, or anything you're doing in life that you do a lot of. So just say you want to make a sky, a background sky. Let's just go with just a regular sky. Some blue, some white, some red, I don't know. Any kind of sky that you want to make. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you a sample, okay? So just say you want to make a nice sky, but you want that nice and bright. I know that we've often put the moon in after we did our background. I know that, but it was hard. It was hard working in and trying to get the brush to stay in the circle. So look, we'll just go around here. All right. So I'm just making sample sky. Just want to show you how amazing this is because it's only cheap. Get them at the dollar store. Get them anywhere, because you can go to Walmart or any of the stores that sell these chair protectors, I guess, or floor protectors for your chairs. And because it sticks, you don't have to worry about it coming off. And you're going to have it perfectly, and you can go right around it like that. See? Now that can be your moon, that can be space, planet, it can be an apple, it can be whatever you want it to be. But anything that you need that's round. Perfect. Because that's thick, you can grab a hold of it and just pull it right off. Look at that. Perfectly round. Not too much of a mess. And you can put that back on there again on that sticky part. Save it for another time. They'll last forever. Once you get one box of them. And I'm not being sponsored by these. I don't even know the brand name. I just seen them on the table and I just went, oh my goodness. Oh my. This is something I'm going to use in all my paintings for when I need a moon or an apple or something really round. Oh, it's so exciting. Because before, like, I was even taking the tops of the jars and putting paint on it and laying it on and it'd be slipping all over the place. This is made for painting. I'm going to try a small one, a smaller one. So you take your back off. We already used this one, but it's okay because, and I have more, lots more there, so. But you can put this on here. Make sure it's dry. The paint is dry. And then say you're trying to make something from, you know, a planet or something like that in space, and you want to keep that color, and then you want to put some dark colors around it. So we got a dark sky around it, stars. So we have dark sky. So you want it to keep that for a planet. So then you do that, and when you take that off, your planet should still be there. Just take it off. It's still there. Isn't that cool? So it makes life so much easier. You can make it cherry, some cherries and grapes, anything round. So you can find things around the house, just things that you have around the house that you could use that will help you paint and make your life a little easier. Then go for it. You know, just look around your house and see what's there and say, what could I do with that? I wonder, how could I add that to my painting? Because I found this. This is a man's brush for shaving, and it's very stiff. And I thought, you know, I'm going to buy that. I was over to the dollar store. I love the dollar store. And I bought this, and I said, I must try it out. So I just tapped into some different colors. You know, say if I was making a tree or something, you know, or something, whatever. And so I just loaded it up, and look at that. I mean, isn't that gorgeous for foliage? Oh, now that's just that brush. Anyway, that's that brush. Just trying to show you some different things that I sort of came across, and I already showed you this one before. This is the painters, you know, when you paint your walls, and this spreads paint much better. So this is great too for doing backgrounds. You want to do a really quick background, or you want to put gesso on your canvas, or, you know, things like that. So this really helps. So you already have paint on there, then you can just go back and forth like that, and then you can get some really cool design ideas. Look at that. See? You know, I mean, it depends on what you're painting. Maybe you could do it as a background. You mix a few different colors together, and look at that. That's not bad. It's nice. What else have we got here? I got this spa sponge. Let's see what this does. I'm just going to dip it in paint. I got it dampened a little bit. I just misted it. And I'm just going to try something, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at those. Look at that. Look at those pretty colors. Look. Wow. And that's just a matter of putting a couple of colors on it. Imagine we dipped into a pot of colors like that. Look. Oops. Making a real mess here today. It's fun. I love playing with my paints. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, nice. Then you could make a nice, that would be a nice outer space moon. I'm just going to add some white to it this time. I'm just going to make a real mess. Ooh, this is so much fun. Touch and lift. Or, let's get some new sheets. Or, touch and twist. Like we did before. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now that's just from a spa sponge. It's about $1. Now I have one of these bath thingies. I don't use them. When they rubs my skin too rough. So maybe I'll get some use out of it with my paintings. So I'm going to dip it in some paint. Just grabbing some paint. Probably should get more than that. So let's put lots of paint on that. So I'm going to take that and all my paint. Ooh. I'm just using my primary colors in some way just to, so I'm not going to go with any particular colors right now. Let's see what this does. Ooh. Different, isn't it? I mean, you could make some abstracts with this. You twist it around. Nice. Maybe I got too much white on it. Let's see if I get more blue. Yeah, cool. Look at that. That's nice. Nice colors. You can make really nice abstracts with that. So I also have these really nice, these are makeup brushes, okay? You get these in your makeup department and they're right soft. Look, they spring back, but they're soft. I call them my happy brushes. They're more for blending. And you can use them, like say if you wanted to blend this one. So you could take that and blend it out with your with this blending brush. And look at it, look at the beautiful results you get with it. Look. See, it's a blending brush, but it's a makeup brush. You know, look. And then I got this one here. It's the same thing, but it's softer actually. So I'm going to try blending this one. Look at that blend though. You can't get that with a brush. A regular brush. You can't get it. Not with a regular brush because the bristles are too hard or too stiff. And this is just right. But look. That is so pretty, isn't it? So if I added more, this one has more white in it. Bigger brush. So the bigger the brush, it gives it a different kind of blend, right? So look. It's easier to work with too. You can, so pretty. Just look at that. Beautiful. I love these brushes. So you don't have to be looking in your crafts or your art section. Look in your paint section. Brushes that you use for painting. Your walls. Your face. Brushes, makeup brushes and things, right? Let's try adding a bit of white to that. Just see what happens. I just dipped it in white just to see. Just like the experiment. As long as everything is wet, you'll be fine. Look. They're gorgeous. Look at all the different effects you can get with that. Look at that. Just by going around circles. Wow. Wow, I say, just pretend that's a sky. And we want to add clouds to the sky. Dip into white. And go around circles. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my. Pretty. Nice. So this one here is a makeup brush. Kind of nice and thick and round on the top there. I'm going to try that with a little bit of a white and blue just to see what kind of clouds I'll get. Oh yeah. See what's happening, these brushes got a different texture to them and they give you a very, very soft textured painting. Look at that, gorgeous. So pick up some makeup brushes or use the ones you have around the house. And wow. Beautiful. I really am enjoying this. It's going underneath here just to blend it out a bit. Because they make beautiful blenders. This is why it's working so well. Beautiful. Now, if I can come up with anything else for you guys, I'm going to start using some of my makeup brushes for my other paintings. Then I will let you know. So, keep checking my YouTube videos. I have lots of new tips and tricks. I'm always looking around for something new and different, and to show you. So and also put in the comment section what you liked best about this, and what you suggest, or have you ever used any of these techniques or any of these materials that I picked up today. Let me know if you used any of these makeup brushes, you know, spa brushes, sheer covers. That's it for now. So I will see you in the next video. So you have a great day. Bye. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.